we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always
Hi
call
guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you will be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be installing my U-part crochet wig. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is how my braiding pattern is looking, and I'll be doing the invisible crochet method with these two small braids to cover the U-part wig. Also, you could use your natural hair to cover the wig. Just part a section out and use it to cover the wig. When you in front of me, I can't even speak. No, it's like push your latch hook under your braid and pull the braiding hair through, not one side of the braid, and there you have your crochet, invisible crochet braid.
So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? Oh, I just wanna love you, treat you so right. Wanna show you how everyone do it right. We can take a flight, leave by tonight. Baby, just me and you living our best life.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. Go and pick you up, we can shoot a movie scene. Girl, what you really tryna do?
Look at it, guys. You can't tell me this hair isn't growing from my scalp. Crochet wear. Now that we're finished doing the crochet braid, we're moving to the next step, which is straightening the hair with the Revelin brush.
Bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy, you made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Rolling up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one in the way.
I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you. So what we gonna do? I get high off you, boy. So what we gonna do? Around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that.
I am putting the hair in a bun so I can install the wig. First, you remove the two white strings from the wig. Then you want to secure the middle comb under your braid, and you do the same with the side braid. Secure it under your braids. For extra security, you can also use a bobby pin or a hairpin to secure the hair as well. Now it's time to use the invisible section to cover the wig. Or guys, if this was your natural hair, you just pull your hair out and cover it nicely, brush it out or comb it out, whichever you prefer.
ugly. I ain't got time.
Now I'm just adding some layers of the hair, and here you have the finished product. Wasn't it easy, guys? Yes, it was. If you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, what are you waiting on? Click that subscribe button down below and click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Until next time, guys, I do appreciate you all for watching. Bye.
Such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill.